Welcome. In front of me is a V-Mobile S39, and today I will show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. So I already have both of them prepared on the side, as you can see. And to get started, I'm just gonna unlock the device so I don't touch it anywhere. And from there you wanna pull off the cover. You have a little tab right here where you can pull the cover off. Now already primarily I think pulled it off mostly, so it should come off really easily like so. And when I place it, you can see right here there is a space for the SD card and then two different SIM slots. Now the SIM is not the smallest one, it's the in between, as you can see. So what you want to do is flip it over so the other side, the actual like the part that it needs to stick to something needs to be on the other side, contacting the pins. So I want to just place it here and then slide it in. And then the SD card goes the same way, just place it like so and slide it. And that's basically all it takes. Now, if I flip the phone over, ensuring that the battery don't fall. Actually, I need to put it back on, so I can press the buttons. Okay. And apparently the battery got loose anyway. So let's just wait for it to turn back on. As you can see, there is the SD card that we have put in, and it's looking for service as well, which is this faint little bar right here, but without any actually success at the moment. And because of the SIM card, it also changes the language to the SIM that it has been inserted. Some phones do that, apparently this one is one of them. So if your phone changes the language all of a sudden without any reason, that is basically the reason. Just gonna select no. But as you can see by the language change, the SIM card has been detected. So that is how you would insert it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.